Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shubham Mishra. Oh wait, it's an engineer's video, right? I shall introduce myself as Mishra Shubham Mishra Prasad. Surname, name, and then the father's name. Just the engineer's video, right? So yeah, I'm 20 years old. I belong to Satna, Madhya Pradesh, born and brought up in Nasik, and I'm a mechanical engineer. Yep. Um, in this video, I'm gonna tell you about what engineering has really taught me in life. But first, let me tell you about how I got into this world of engineering. Yeah. After completing my 10th from Cambridge, I was in this dilemma whether should I go for 11th and 12th or in diploma. I always had in my mind that I have to go for engineering and specifically mechanical engineering because I love machines, cars, bikes. Who doesn't? But another reason is the movie Three Idiots. मतलब पहले अभी और रहेगा थ्री इडियट्स का इन्फ्लुएंस बच्चों पे की इंजीनियरिंग में एंड वो भी स्पेसिफिकली मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग सबको रैंचो बनना है ना भैया आखिरकार डिप्लोमा बिकेम द स्टेपिंग स्टोन टू इंजीनियरिंग आई हैड ऑलमोस्ट enrolled for the tuition classes but I did not due to I don't know why it is the destiny I think you cannot counter your own destiny it's your fate that decides the journey I believe in so yeah in engineering, I think you learn more from the people around, the habitat, the surrounding, the conditions, and the situations you go through than the classroom syllabus that you're taught. You know, like you get exposed to a new environment as soon as you enter into college life, be it any stream, medical, engineering, arts, commerce, anything, but you get explore, you explore yourself.
Engineering has turned me from an introvert schoolboy to a confident individual.
And I think in engineering, anyone from a scholar student to a mediocre student, everyone explores themselves. They learn, I should say, we learn equally about ourselves than what we learn about other life aspects in engineering. Moving ahead, the first lesson, the first skill that is in my mind and it will be throughout my life is being a learner, asking questions, being curious. For example, right now if I'm speaking on this microphone, the camera, I know how these things work. The most of the machines around me right now, or the machines that I have, I know how these things work. I know every technical feature, technical element about these machines because I am a learner. Engineering has entrenched into me that always ask questions. If you don't know anything, ask questions. You want to know something new, ask questions. You be curious and you learn new things. Also, engineering has turned me into a mature, confident individual, I would say, because just after my school, I went into engineering through diploma, and it's a big leap because you're very conserved and preserved in your school life. You know, you have friends who are always good to you, and when you go into a new life, a new exposure, you find it difficult, but you know how to adapt it. You learn how to adapt, and this makes you mature. अगर तुम चाइल्डहुड के कार्टून शोज एंड अदर शोज से अगर तुम गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स डार्क फिर सीक्रेट गेम्स मिर्जापुर तक अगर तुम पहुंच गए हो तो तुम्हारे अंदर काफ़ी मेच्योरिटी एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ चुकी है दैट्स व्हाट आई बिलीव प्लीज डोंट पुट मी ऑन दैट So yeah, guys, the next big thing I would say that engineering has entrenched into me that I can, I'm proud of, I'm really, really proud of is being a jugadu. To have that data mind, I would say that being jugadu is nothing but having a problem solving skill. That engineering develops into you is, and as an Indian, I think Indians are the certified jugadus because we can make jugaad for everything. If you see the doodwalas carrying 2 to 3 canisters on both sides of his bike, it is nothing but jugaad because the bike is not meant to do that, right? It's a jugaad. You be a jugaad, you have that data in you. And I believe that engineering has made me do that to be a jugadu because in engineering you have to make a final year project. Uh, I've made one in diploma. I'm actually made 2 in diploma, mini project, final year project. I still have them with me. I'll share the pictures with you through the video, yeah. And in that project making, when you face problems for different parts or different things, if a certain desired output that you want is not what you get, then you make jugaad. You know, that's what engineering has entrenched into me. If I see a problem, I have to think about the different bypasses to get to the solution to the problem. That is Jugaad, and I'm really proud of being a Jugaad. I had made a project in diploma named Easyville. I do have the black book for it. I'll show you. This is the black book. The four of us, my friends, we have made this design and development of Easyville. It was a tire changing mechanism. Yeah, it was a nice piece. Black book. Yeah. The next thing, the next lesson, the next skill that I've learned, or I've developed that sense of that skill is reading human behavior. And I believe this is a skill that is not only necessary for a career after engineering, but also throughout your life. Because you'll always run into new people, new conditions, new situations, new problems. You need to have a look around and you should be able to judge the people, judge their emotions. You need to know when to speak what, which is also a sign of maturity. This is all what you develop through your college life. You meet new people, people from different backgrounds, different conditions. There are some people may be from English medium, some might be from Marathi medium, Hindi medium, Gujarati medium, or any other medium. And if you get a chance, you might run into a nice NRI also. Never know. So you run into new people and you have fights. You try to make new friends, which become your best friends after college. Yeah, because some of the best people that you will remember throughout your life are the people who you meet in your college life. So after getting into different fights and different situations, different conditions, you develop this habit of knowing what to speak with. You develop reading human behavior. असाइनमेंट्स और इंजीनियरिंग का कुछ अलग ही रिश्ता चल रहा है भाई. लोग बोलते हैं कि ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में लोगों को जागना चाहिए, और इंजीनियरिंग ने मुझे ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में सोना सिखाया. माइंड यू, ब्रह्म मुहूर्त इज 3 to 4 AM in the morning. Yeah, I remember I almost became an owl writing assignments. मतलब 150-200 पेजेस एक सेमेस्टर में लिखना, मैनुअल्स भरना, नोट्स बनाना, उनको चेक कराना, वर्कशीट्स, असाइनमेंट्स, फिर प्रोजेक्ट्स, उनकी रिपोर्ट, इस सब को ऑल इन ऑल लिखते लिखते मेरे तो हाथ में पसीना आने लग गया. असाइनमेंट्स लिखते लिखते हमने ये सीखा कि ये असाइनमेंट जो भी तुम लिख रहे हो 150-200 पेजेस, कहीं जाने नहीं वाला है, रद्दी में ही जाने वाला है. बट नोइंग द फैक्ट ये रद्दी में जाने वाला है, तुमको हार्डवर्क करते रहना है. यू हैव टू कीप ग्राइंडिंग अनविलिंगली और विलिंगली, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो द रिजल्ट्स. तो वहाँ पे एग्जामिनर तुमको 10 में से 10 देगा, 7 देगा, फिर भी तुमको लिखना ही लिखना है. यू पुट ऑल योर एफर्ट्स इनटू इट. इससे हम टाइम मैनेजमेंट भी सीखा, हार्डवर्क सीखा, अपने स्केड्यूल को बदलना सीखा, रात रात भर जागना, सुबह उठना. ऑल इन ऑल यू हैव टू अडेप्ट टू द चेंज दैट इज हैपनिंग अराउंड यू. यू हैव टू अडेप्ट टू द सिचुएशंस यू गो थ्रू. बोलते हैं ना, परिवर्तन ही प्रकृति का नियम है, जैसे हिंदी में. चेंज इज द ओनली कांस्टेंट. Coping up with the assignments, its deadlines comes with lots of stress. Yep. And please don't forget the vivas. Vivas, coping up with the peers, सबके बराबरी करना, constant comparison between the scholars and the mediocre students. अपने फैमिली का टेंशन, फैमिली से अलग ही प्रेशर आ रहा है कि टॉप क्यों नहीं करता, शर्मा जी का बेटा देखो वो तो टॉप मार रहा है, उसके जैसे क्यों नहीं कर रहे भाई. ये सब का स्ट्रेस में काफ़ी बच्चे सुसाइड कमिट करते हैं. एंड इंजीनियरिंग बदनाम है इस चीज़ के बारे में. एंड इट इज़ अ फैक्ट विच इज़ प्रीटी वेल नोन. ये वो चीज़ें जो तुमको दिखती है लेकिन तुम इग्नोर करना चाहते हो, विच इज़ स्ट्रेस. I think, in my opinion, stress management awareness should be put in a very crucial importance topic. It should be taught right from the basics, from the school itself. क्योंकि अगर तुम्हारे रूट्स मजबूत रहेंगे स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट को लेके, तो तुम्हें साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास नहीं जाना पड़ेगा, काउंसलिंग सेशंस नहीं लेने पड़ेंगे. एंड वी ऑल नो राइट नाउ इन द कंट्री व्हाट हैज हैपेंड कि स्ट्रेस क्या कर सकता है. सो प्लीज इट इज माई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट कि अगर हो सके तो स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट को प्लीज इंपॉर्टेंस दो. प्लीज हाईलाइट स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट. थैंक यू. Failure. Failure is not only linked with examinations and papers. Talking about failure, one incident that comes into my mind is when me and my friend Rahul had gone to Nagpur for a quiz competition. Unfortunately, we lost in the first round itself. Yeah. And what I did is I just took a selfie with my friend Rahul and I just let it off. I did not let failure take over me, demotivate me for my coming future. Then I enjoyed my remaining trip from Nagpur to Nasik. It was quite relaxing, you know. So this is what I've learned from engineering, the most important lesson, dealing with failure. This is what engineering has taught me, turned me into. And as I said earlier, engineering teaches you more from the experiences than the classroom syllabus. Coming to the end, I would like to thank myself more than anyone for being me, for believing in me.
To me, engineering has been a process of evolution.